Guys, we're in another video of unboxing of the Monopoly Ultimate Bank. No, of the Monopoly banking machine, and it's the banking machine of the Super Electronic Banking. It has 3 buttons and fully protected glass, and a screen big, and a sensor, and a Monopoly stand. Like this, it stands on the game board, and like this we can press buttons. So we're just gonna open it. So first I have to remove this battery box. So I remove and then show you guys. So I recently opened it, and now here's this. 3 AAA batteries fit in there, and here's its battery compartment. And now I'm gonna open these 4 screws. I recently opened it, and I don't know what's inside it, but I'm opening it. It's opening. So I've opened it, guys, and here's the cover. And here's all the buttons, and here's all banking machine. Here's the sensors, and here's the buttons, and here's this big screen, and here's the motherboard. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Well, be sure to like and subscribe. Okay, so we're gonna end up now, guys. Stay tuned for the new views and videos.